Okay, so this is Science Review 13. We'll start with the first one. A student is classifying objects shown based on their physical properties. You got an aluminum can, a soda can, a ring, copper ring, and an iron nail. Remember, copper is just like a penny. Okay, copper penny. All right, which physical property can be used to classify these objects into more than one group? So basically, you want to know if you can classify it, if it's either all going to be the same answer if you classified it, or is it all going to have different answers? You're looking for the one that wants different answers. Magnetism. Can we test each product to see if it's magnetic or not? Yes, we can. And we all know that we can test it. An aluminum can is not magnetic. A copper ring is not magnetic. But we also know an iron nail is. So, again, that confirms our answer that, yes, we can classify them in two different groups. Non-magnetic, magnetic. With me? Okay. B is electrical conductivity. Can we test all of these to see if they're conductors of electricity? Yes, we can. However, let's then test it out and see if we can classify it as a yes or a no. Aluminum can. Conductor? Yes. Copper ring. Conductor? Yes. Remember, all metals conduct. Iron nail. Conductor? Yes. So does that give us two different groups? No, it just gives us yeses and okay. We want the ones like yes and no. All right, solubility in water. Does it dissolve? Do any of these items dissolve? No. So again, we have just one category there. And then physical state. Well, that's a solid. That's a solid. That's a solid. So is that more than one group? No. So what's the correct answer? A. All right. Forms of energy. A student used a toaster to make his breakfast. He plugged the toast in the toaster, put the bread in the toaster, and pushed the lever down. So this is a key word for me, plug. That tells me electricity. He put the bread in and he pushed the lever down, right? This tells me electric. This tells me mechanical. And the heating elements, that tells me thermal. The heating elements toasted the bread. When the toast was done, a spring popped up the trays of the toast. Again, that tells me mechanical. And I know my 5 types of energy because I know my melts. What kinds of energy were used by this toaster? Electrical and light? Electrical, no light, so false. Light, thermal, and mechanical? Again, that light, that's wrong. Electrical and sound? I mean, yeah, you kind of hear it, but it's not what the toaster, yeah, I didn't write that down. I'm not comfortable with that answer. Or thermal, electrical, and mechanical. Thermal, check. Electrical, check. And mechanical, check. Yay, my answer is A. True. All right, traits and behaviors. I love traits and behaviors. Which behavior is learned rather than inherited? A stork builds a nest. A monarch butterflies migrate. A wolf observes other wolves to improve his hunting skills. Or a houseplant grows towards the window. Which one do you think? I hope you all pick B. All right, landforms. What does this model most likely represent? I got a pile of sand. I got a fan that's moving air. Air moving, so that's called wind. And a big pile of sand. I'm thinking sand dunes, but how wind forms sand dunes? Duh. How water forms hills? No. How wind breaks down rocks into smaller pieces? Yeah, no. How wind can change the movement of water. Where's the water? So it has to be A. Right? All right. And that's homework number 13.